everyone, Amy here from Never Grew Up Vacations, and now it's time to come fly with Amy. So today I'm in Disneyland and I am so excited to be back. It's been about 2.5 years since I've been here and it feels like I'm home, but also like I have so much more new stuff to do. I'm just so excited. So today I'm going to give you a room tour of the Hilton Anaheim Convention Center area, which is very close to the park, so I'll show you just how close it is. I'm also hoping to throw in some footage of the lobby and some of the public areas over the next couple days as well, so I'm hoping to kind of put that into this whole video here. But I'm going to start with a room tour. Full disclosure, I used points to pay for this room. As most of you know, I am a Diamond Hilton Honors member because I travel for work a lot, so I have plenty of points to give and use. I did get a free upgrade here. I paid for a standard king room and I got upgraded to a huge room that has a theme park view, and I'm definitely gonna watch fireworks tonight outside the window and it's gonna be amazing. So let's take a look at this amazing room. All right, let's take a look at this large, oversized one king bed room with a Disneyland park view at the Hilton Anaheim Hotel. So this is your front entryway. You do have a very long hallway coming in. I really didn't know what to expect when I was coming in. Right off the corner here, you do have a closet. Oops, the ironing board got me. So you do have a pretty standard closet, luggage stand, safe, nothing too exciting there. So this is amazing view number one. View number two is even cooler. So look at this view. It's a little smoky out from the wildfires. It kind of has like a haze, but you can see the mountains there. This is actually the parking lots for Disneyland, and then they do shuttle you over, or at least one of the parking lots. There is a couple around here, but how beautiful is this view? I mean, it's like, it's just so beautiful. Some area hotels right here. This gives you a really good idea of just how condensed everything is in Disneyland. For those of you who go to Disney World, you know how spaced out it is. Complete opposite in Disneyland. The parks were plopped here and then all these hotels popped up. So you can kind of see just how condensed things are. Let's now take a look at the bathroom because that's what comes first. So it is a little bit of a smaller bathroom, but it's just me, so it doesn't really make a difference to me. So you do have just your normal standard shower. You have just your normal standard commode. And then you do have your normal standard vanity. Pretty good lighting in here for makeup, so I'm excited about that. You do have your Crabtree and Evelyn products, which are standard with flagship Hiltons. I do like those products. It's really nice and they smell good. So let's check out this room. So remember, I did get upgraded. So right here, you do have your coffee maker and fridge. Of course, I'm kind of using it for some storage too. So you do have just your standard beverage cooler there. You do have over here 2 drawers, I don't want to call it a bar setup because it's not that. It's just your glasses and your ice bucket if you'd like. Nice big TV. You do have a really nice desk here for working. Remember, this is attached to the convention center. So during normal life and normal times when there are business travelers, this place is probably popping. You do have a really nice seating area. Hot tip, at night, tonight there's fireworks. There's not fireworks every single night in Disneyland. It's typically weekends only, so unfortunately tonight is the only night they're gonna have them of my whole trip. So I actually will not see them from inside the park, which happened to me last trip as well, but I'll show you. I'm gonna have an incredible view of these fireworks tonight. So I do have a firework view room. You have a king-sized bed. I see a couple different outlets on each side, so I'm pretty happy with that. So this is the room. Not really all that exciting, just a normal standard Hilton room, but it's this view that makes the difference. I mean, you still have your mountain ranges and all of that. And then this is special. Like, look at this. I can see both parks from where I'm at. Right there's the Incredicoaster. Behind that is Paradise Pier Hotel. You can see the Grand Californian from the distance. what's it called, galaxies. Holy moly, Amy, it's been a long day, y'all. I've been traveling. You can see the top of the Matterhorn, Space Mountain, and then you can see Mission Breakout. So talk about an amazing view at nighttime. This is going to be killer. If World of Color was going on, you would have a pretty amazing view, but I'll take this. And then I don't know if I can even get in here. Let's see, there's the castle, right? Right? It's so tiny right there. You see it right there off in the, it's like right in the center of my screen right there is the castle. So how amazing is that, right? Again, this was a free upgrade. So thank you, Hilton. They do honor my status and they do treat me pretty well. So I hope you enjoyed this room tour. I am going to, as I had said, get more footage of the actual hotel and resort over the next couple days. This is walking distance to the parks. I mapped it and I also Googled it, and it said between 10 and 15 minutes, I guess, based upon your walking pace. So I'm going to provide some more actual details upon that, but it should be walking distance. It's less than a mile. So I'm going to give that a go. If I'm tired and my feet hurt, I'm going to take an Uber. So that's how that's going to go.
A little more about the Hilton Anaheim. This is one of Disneyland's Good Neighbor hotels. This hotel is a superior option within walking distance of both parks. This hotel is located exactly a mile away from both parks and takes about 15 minutes to walk. If you don't want to walk, an Uber and a Lyft is anywhere between $7 and $15 one way. Also, keep in mind the art bus runs right across the street, so that's also an accessible option for you and your family. Located right beyond the front desk is a Starbucks location. This opens up bright and early and does close down around lunchtime. This is a great breakfast option for a quick grab-and-go breakfast. Plus, if you're a Hilton Honors member, they are currently giving away food and beverage credits that can be applied at this location. Located just beside the front desk and check-in, there is a sundries and gift shop available to purchase anything you might have missed or any souvenirs you'd like to take home. On-site parking at this hotel is $24 per day. They also offer valet service. Another great benefit of this hotel is there is an enterprise rental car desk located right inside the lobby. By pre-booking your rental car, they will bring your car to the front lobby to meet you when you're ready for it. Located in the beautiful lobby, there is a bar and restaurant where you can dine in the late evening hours. Keep in mind, the second floor here is utilized for convention center space. During normal times, this hotel can get busy with convention goers. Just alongside the lobby, there is a small food court with a few dining options. There is also a spa at this hotel. Ready for some fun in the sun? This hotel has a great pool area included with a small little splash pad for the kids. I spent one afternoon up here and it was nice, quiet, and relaxing. There's also a really great grill area located by those umbrellas that has bar and light bite options. All in all, the Hilton Anaheim is a fantastic hotel when visiting Disneyland. To book this hotel, another Good Neighbor, or an on-site Disneyland hotel, be sure to drop a comment down below or reach out to me via my contact in the description. Be sure to hit subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and others. Until next time, happy travels!